this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the volume that's too low when you're using Bluetooth devices on your Android phone. Now the easiest way to do this is just going to the Google Play Store right here and getting an app like Volume Booster, Sound Booster. So just go to search on the bottom, type in Volume Booster, go here, and then get one of these apps. And most of them are going to be kind of the same. So I would suggest getting something that has a lot of downloads and a very high rating. I have this one right here. It has 10 million downloads, 4.7. You can open this up. And this one works okay. There might be some ads on the bottom. So that's the only thing that's going to be a problem, is when you get all these ads. So if you can find one that doesn't have any ads, that'll be great. So with this app now, we can increase the volume by up to 100%. So you can pretty much double the volume. And then we got the equalizer right here too. If we want to enable this, we can increase the bass volume. We got the sub bass right here too. So it gives you a lot of options to increase the sound. And this is just one app. You could try the other apps as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.